Yes, tell me what to eat.
I eat, no, I drink tea and
Tea and
biscuit.
biscuit.
Only.
Who bring biscuit?
Me.
That
How's
is
the
nice.
taste?
It was very nice. It's tasty.
Delicious.
Not much sweet, not much. I like
Because
it.
I'm not much sweet.
No, you are sweet, but the biscuit is very. It's
Really?
nice taste.
Do you
I
love
like.
Dora? You love Dora because you're making it.
Don't tell him. No? Our break time is finished now. You know, last year also same time we make video. You remember?
I have it.
You have it?
How you eat the chicken?
Oh no, chicken. Baby, no, I never eat chicken. Yeah, you remember you send message to my mama. Hello mama, I will cook for her something. I will take care of her. Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.